Hi, I'm Jennifer Wayne.
And I'm Brad Rempel.
And while we're both in country music, we have a huge passion for real estate, and we've each had our share of fixers and flips.
Absolutely. Today we're here to show you some of the tips and tricks that we've learned along the way.
This is American Standard's Home Owning 01 Fall Session.
Fall is officially here. Here's a list of the top tasks you need to tackle around the house this season.
With the furnace on and windows closed, one of the most crucial steps in fall home maintenance is to check your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Test the batteries in each detector to ensure that they are functioning properly, and if the batteries are low or expired, replace them immediately. Also, always remember to keep spare batteries on hand to be prepared should your smoke detector start beeping at 2 a.m.
Another important task is cleaning the gutters. Once the majority of the leaves have cleared off the trees, they can accumulate in your gutters, causing clogs and potential water damage to your walls and ceilings, insect infestations, and damp basements.
Here you go.
All right. Grab gloves, a scoop, and make sure your ladder is secure. Then remove any debris from your gutters. Be sure to also check for any loose or damaged sections that may need repair.
Finally, before that first cold snap hits, schedule a furnace or heat pump check to ensure that your system is in optimal condition. An American Standard customer care dealer can inspect your system, clean or replace filters if necessary, and perform any maintenance tasks. This will not only help you avoid any unexpected breakdowns, but also improve the energy efficiency of your heating system.
Whew. And there you have it. If you follow those easy steps, you'll be well prepared for fall and cozy times at home.
Hey, is that my tea?
I don't think so.